Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought for this week's video I would bring you guys a bit more personal with me and bring you guys through a work day in my life type of thing. Now, if you didn't know, what I do for my work is I do videography and video editing, which I love. So for my company, I kind of just like edit videos, and today I'm actually editing a podcast, one of their financial podcasts. I love doing those. I love when they send them to me. They're just fun little podcasts, and I just thought I'd bring you guys along with me for that. So I'm just about to get started, but first off I need my glasses because I just can't edit without my glasses on. It just like gives me the biggest headaches, so we're just gonna put these on. They're kind of filled with fingerprints, like all I see are fingerprints, but you know what, it's fine, we can clean them another day. So I'm just gonna open up Premiere and I'm gonna edit this. I'm just gonna start with a basic audio extract, which is just taking the whole audio and like cleaning it up so it's like sounds more professional, and take out the ums and hms and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go do that. Alright, so I just finished the first podcast and now I just have one more to do, but I think I'm just going to take a quick break and maybe get some iced coffee because I'm kind of getting a headache right now. I need caffeine before like 4 p.m. It's only 1 p.m. but like just kind of need caffeine in me, so I think I'm going to go run and get some coffee and then I will come back to do this. Alright, so I am back, have my coffee. So I am all done. My files were just sent over and I'm just gonna email them just to make sure they got them, and then yeah, I'm done. I am literally in the splits for this shot, but anyways, I'm done my work now. So now we are going to go put away laundry, aka my favorite thing to do. We have to do that. I bought new socks recently and they're kind of nice, except they say head on them, which makes absolutely no sense, but whatever. My literal closet is just little tank tops and sweatpants and cardigans. That's all I wear throughout like quarantine. It's crazy. Actually, it's not crazy, it's just like the most comfortable thing ever. Does anyone else just have to like shove their pajamas in? Or is it just me? Alright, laundry is all done. Now onto my favorite part. We're gonna come clean my bathroom and we're just gonna scrub this toilet. I do this every Thursday, sometimes on a Friday. It's not my favorite thing to do, but honestly, sometimes it just becomes therapeutic to clean toilets for me. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I just keep doing it every week. So this is my amazing cleaning bucket, little tray thing. I have everything that I need, all my sponges, so I have to listen to music while I clean a bathroom or I will go insane. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a time lapse. The things I do for a thumbnail. So since all of this is clean now, I'm just gonna start putting back like all the soap and toothbrushes and everything. So it's a while after from the last clip, but I just went to Canadian Tire and I just picked up a light with my mom, and now the sun's setting because it just gets dark at like 4 p.m. so I still have to continue dusting it and everything, so we're gonna go do that. So now that everything is fully dusted, now it's time to sweep my floors. I hate this. This is honestly the worst part. I don't know why I hate it. It's so simple to do. Like, it's hardwood floors. It's not even vacuuming, but I hate it. But we're gonna get it done. I do this like every week, so there's not much dust that accumulates, minus like the very corners. And then the last step is just to replace the towel. We're just gonna go throw this one in the washer and just take it out with a new one. There we go. And we are finally done. My room looks pretty good now. Well, it looks the same, it's just like less dust. And the bathroom is all clean. Everything is changed. This is an update on my plant. He's doing well. The other one is like dead. I'm not too sure what happened to him, but this one's thriving though. All right, so it is now 4:26 and I have done my work for the day. I cleaned my bathroom, I cleaned my room. We did a quick stop at Canadian Tire and I am exhausted. So I'm either just going to chill for the rest of the night or I might just start editing one of my own videos. I'm currently working on like a sweatpants collection video and it's edited super sick. It's like in a video game format. Alright, so that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it if you're still watching at this point. If you guys want to see more from me, I do lifestyle content, fashion, productivity, stuff like this, then go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. We're actually really close to like, I think it's 3,000 subscribers. We're only 300 away, so that's pretty sick. So if you guys can help me out and get me to 3,000, subscribe button's down below. Whoa, my feet. Anyways, if you want to see more of me, all my social media is also linked down below in the description box, so you guys can follow my Instagram or Snapchat. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.